Struggling to manage finances in a business partnership? Have you ever felt like you're losing track of who's spending what, or how to keep shared funds separate from individual expenses? You're not alone. The complexity of multi-owner businesses can make financial management a nightmare. But what if there was a way to simplify everything and bring clarity and control back to your business? This is where Relay comes in. Relay is a business banking and money management platform built specifically for the modern business owner, and it's a game changer for partnerships and multi-owner teams. The secret is in their multi-owner features, which go way beyond a simple shared account. First up, a single login for all. No more password sharing or juggling multiple credentials. With Relay, each owner gets their own secure login. This not only protects your sensitive financial information, but also provides a clear audit trail of who is doing what. Second, the power of separate accounts. Relay lets you open up to 20 individual business checking accounts, all with unique account and routing numbers. This is a powerful tool for partnerships. You can create separate accounts for operating expenses, partner distributions, marketing, and even individual projects. This keeps your finances meticulously organized and ensures every dollar has a purpose. Third, granular permissions and control. This is the feature that really makes a difference. You can invite your partners and team members and customize their access with a powerful permission system. Need your marketing manager to only see the marketing budget? Done. Want to limit a partner's spending to a specific amount? You can set custom spending limits on their debit card. This level of control gives you peace of mind and reduces the potential for financial missteps. Relay also simplifies expenses. Each team member can get their own physical or virtual debit card tied to a specific checking account with a set budget. When they make a purchase, Relay automatically prompts them to upload a receipt and add a note. This automates expense tracking, eliminates messy reimbursements, and gives you a real-time view of every transaction. You'll always know who spent what, where, and for what purpose. So, if you're ready to ditch the financial chaos and bring transparency, control, and clarity to your business partnership, it's time to check out Relay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.